Alright y'all, so we are at the last client of the day. We've done pretty good so far. What was that? Look at that. Yep, that's my car. They see that's my car. He like, oh yeah, I didn't know you was that professional. Yeah, I'm a boss for real. Now they know. Brother, I need that car over here, please. Yeah. Come on, man, what do you think? Huh? Yeah. Here. Come right here, come right here. I got a light over here. There he is. There's the client right there, y'all. Without further ado. He found me on the internet. And now I am here with my vehicle, V12 Mercedes-Benz. No joke. All right, y'all, so I had to sleep last night when I got back and had to do a little laundry. So I promised you all that I was gonna give you the update on how much we actually made in the last 3 days. All right, so today is all about playing and enjoying the ladies. So cleaned the boat up this morning, got up, did laundry. This is, I told you all, I'm Greg Harris. I got a lot of different brands out here. One of them is owning the biggest detail company within the DMV. And this is another company I own, Mary J's Premium Cigars. All right, check that out. So, just gonna do a quick update real quick to let you all know what we made. That promise you all, give you an update. So what we did was, out of all the clients that called, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. The line here. 9, 20, 40, 60, 80, $1,020. We did it. We made $1,000 in 3 days. Simply using the internet on the water. All right, booked all this on the water and did it all out of the trunk of a V12 Mercedes. If you all want to learn how to do this, contact me. Support Mary J's. Look us up on Instagram. It's YouTube. Let's get it. Show my videos. I'm trying to teach. What a way to do your laundry. All right, so as you saw, last client gave us that. We just came out of that alley behind AutoZone. And logistics with the internet when you are being booked is the next client is only 400 freaking feet away. That's crazy. So we're making $300 within 400 feet of each other, and we didn't even realize it. And it's only taking us an hour and a half, an hour to do that last one. It's gonna take an hour for this one. So in 2 hours, $300. All right, so let's call this client and see where he is. All right, guys, so yeah, we do come to home sometimes and they try to finesse us on, we got certain prices, but you know, when you come and a vehicle look like this, they gotta pay up and they wanna ensure that, you know, the price is what they quoted it as. No, if you get our work, you gonna pay. So always remember that. No matter if it's very simple or your fee or don't do it. You gonna get it done. So this makes 5 for the day. We woke up at 7. Came to DC, now we're in Fairfax, Virginia. We get ready to go back to the yacht from here, a 2-hour drive. And we made almost $890, almost $900. And minus the consignment, 80, made about 820 profit. So I'll get back to you. All right, so we're making my favorite trip. Car is done, but of course he don't have cash, so we gotta let him pay through. He didn't have cash up front. He tried to pay through Cash App, so didn't feel like doing that. So I said, man, dude, it's easy if you just go ahead and go to the ATM. So we're trailing each other to the ATM now, and I'll be back with the pay that we made and count what we did this weekend again. 2 weekends back to back we've done. Today we did like 800 profit, but last weekend we did 1,000, but still 1,800 2 weekends back to back. This, you know, shows you that marketing your own business and working for yourself, it works. So let me teach you all. And YouTube and Google, stop disapproving my ads. Thank you. got the vehicle. Last one of the night. Secured another $1,000, 2 Sundays back to back. Alright, boss. Hey, man, thank you so much, bro. Hey, look, what's up with that building, though? Alright, y'all. Back at the yacht. It's like 1-something in the morning. Told y'all I was gonna do the video. I got like 2 videos to post. So, you might be catching this. I don't know when you're gonna catch it, but here's more money that we made. Alright, I'm just gonna do it like this. I don't feel like counting it out. Cause, you know what I mean? Like, I don't have to keep doing this. Like, I'm showing y'all the way. If you wanna learn, holler at me. Providing services in metropolitan areas. Making money really every single day. None of these guru type shit. Like, I'm gonna teach you how to really get it. Like, if you see my computer screen right now, you're gonna see Google ad campaigns, different type of campaigns, running ads, like no gimmicks, you know what I mean? You gotta put that bread up in order to make that bread come back, and that's what we doing. So serious people only in the mastermind, holla at me. All right, YouTube, welcome back. We're showing you how we are getting the actual leads, how we're turning the leads into actual cash, okay? So this is the process now. We're here at one of the clients' homes. We have all of our tools, simple tools. Tools like this, towels, $10 a pack, make $100 off of each 3 towels that you use per use. Okay, very simple tools for the trade. Got chemicals, different chemicals and cleaners. Okay, extension cords, air compressors, vacuum, and a pressure washer, electric pressure washer. And so we're going to get set up. Show you all. This car here is paying $190. $190. Okay? So we'll get back to you here shortly. Alright, so this is the type of customer service that you could provide that pays high volume per service. Because people don't want to do this. They just don't want to clean. But mind you, I pulled up in a V12 and I have diamonds around my neck, and it's all from cleaning other people's shit or junk, excuse me. YouTube don't make my video unmarketable because I said that, so please just understand we are showing how all the phone calls that we got earlier that led to $1,160 almost now. More bookings have come, almost like $1,500, $1,600 in bookings from now to Sunday. And today is Friday, July 2nd, right after the 4th of July, same week. Alright, so we're here making money, cleaning out the customers' belongings, getting them everything they need in one bag. And we're going to show you how we profit hundreds of dollars a day. Detailing vehicles, living on our yacht, booking appointments, doing it eco-friendly way. Electric power tools. Okay, this is going to be relatively easy. We're doing an engine spray down on here, so we're just going to saturate everything, soak everything, and just give a good rundown. Run the engine latch. Yeah. Alright, so if you want to learn how to get 10 phone calls a day that you book for over $1,150, $1,500 a day, and customers, here's the cost. Consultation cost 202-316-9111. I've been doing this for years. 5-star certified on Google and Yelp. and we can show you how, if you're 18 years old, 19 years old. I started this business when I was 19. 28 years old now, and I've been making money 365 days a year, 7 days a week. All these. Okay. So we're actually going to try to get this car done in a very, very, very timely manner. So we have everything set up. We got the vacuum, we have the air compressor. Okay. And so what I'm showing you is I have different streams of advertisements up there: Facebook, Google AdWords, Yelp, and we just sit back, book all the appointments online, and we service them. So now we're going to get the air. This right here is going to help us blow out all the unwanted debris. So we're going to start with the engine. We're going to go everywhere and just apply this everywhere. This car's pretty dirty. Car's pretty dirty. So it needs to saturate with soap. All in the interior. Okay. Gonna make this a brand new good saturation. Alright, and this car is paying $190. Right after this one we have to go to one that is paying only $65, but they are for a company that I'm not going to do too much work for anymore after this, because they're wasting my time, because my clients pay top dollar and I agreed to do this for this company, so I'm just going to take care of it because I'm a man of my business principles. But other than that, I'm done with them. So sometimes in business you get a little slow and you end up taking work from these little companies that don't do the work themselves, and they want to pay you a percentage of what the work actually costs. So no more of that, because we can book enough $1,000 days ourselves to not need any outside help as far as discounted work and for your services and the work that you're performing. So we've got a good saturation going all over the vehicle. So now we have all of our tools starting to pre-pump themselves and get ready, so that we can have access to them, okay? So again, I run my business out of a V12 Mercedes-Benz CL600 classic vehicle. We drive from the yacht every morning here to DC and surrounding metropolitan area of Virginia and Pennsylvania, and we service clients $150, $200 at a time. And some days we do $2,000, but we definitely are always shooting for that $1,000 mark before we call it a day. So what I'm doing is I'm just preparing a little soap. The vehicle is pretty dirty. I'm gonna hit it with some soap. And all these products, mind you, are simple. $2, $3 products. Like that right there is probably 20 cents worth of product that I'm getting ready to make $190 on once I saturate that with some soap. All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be counting them off. So this is number one. So I'm gonna speed up these videos and only do pictures from here on, but we're gonna count up all the money at the end of the day and show you. All right, bye. All right, all done. We're packing up now. Packing up, all done. Looks better.
$1,000. Those diet programs you see and hear advertised are expensive. Sign-up fees, $200, blood work, $200 a week in food. Oh.
All right, so that's $190. Let's go get some more.